Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is Delhi residents demand accountability over foul air. Now it is about a protest that happened in Jantar Mantar and New Delhi, and the event had over 100 protesters, students, environmental activists, journalists and concerned citizens as well. They staged a protest demanding urgent, transparent action and from central and Delhi government to tackle the severe air pollution. Now the key demands of this immediate demand is effective measures to improve air quality AQI, which has been in severe category in Delhi and for nearly a month now, and they should stop alleged manipulation of air quality data. So a lot of people said that there has been alleged manipulation of the air quality data and sprinkling water near monitoring stations to artificially lower AQI readings and data blackouts. So all these things have been alleged that they have been happening. Release real data and disclose actual policy measures that have been taken. So these were the demands. Now there were powerful slogans like, if air is free, why is breathing a privilege? Then the crores for campaigns, zero to for clean air, is this governance? So people were shouting slogans and everything. And the key voices included Vania Saeed. She was a second year MA English student at Ambedkar University. She expressed resentment over reports of data blackouts and alleged, she accused authorities of data tampering. Then Vimalendu Jha was another environmentalist. He highlighted children on steroid, nebulizers and elderly suffering from respiratory illness. Then Abhigyan Devyani Gandhi. She also criticized ministers for being more concerned about their own image than public health. Then Saurav Das, a freelance journalist, handed out right to information applications form at the site itself. At least 100 people are coming together to file the RTI so that the government provides us with real data and the policy measures being taken, he said. So overall, the ground reality seems to be very bad. Delhi's air quality remained very poor to severe, no significant improvement expected in the next 3 to 4 days, despite crores being spent on air purifiers at the Secretariat. Now, let's understand the UPSC relevance of this topic. So, it is very important for GS paper 3, which is Environment and Ecology, Air Pollution, Sources, Impacts, Health, Economy, National Clean Air Program, NCAP, Graded Response Action Plan, GRAP. All these are important pointers. Then disaster management also, again, it is very important. Then GS paper 2, it becomes very important, governance and transparency, health. And then GS paper 4, it becomes very important, which is ethics, ethical governance, duty of the state to protect public health versus political image management. And lastly, the essay paper, it becomes very important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.